What is art journaling? This is a bit of a series, and if you're a beginner in paper crafting as a hobby, this video is about art journaling. Art journaling is a little bit just like it sounds. It's very artistic in what you do in your journal. Art journaling often is used with things like paints and inks and pastes, so different medias or different mediums, like mixed media. It's very artistic and it's a very artistic expression or pursuit for the crafter. So, what you create often becomes a piece of art. It's quite incredible. An art journal or the practice of art journaling looks very much like a piece of art, and it often involves, like I said, watercolors or paints or pastes. Different types of medias or mediums. It's become really popular in the last few years. Art journaling probably wasn't even really a thing 10 years ago, even. But in the last few years, it's become really popular. So if you love a very tactile way to craft with different like liquids and different mediums like that, you might really enjoy art journaling.